What is the Schedule A of IRS? Schedule A is used to calculate itemized deductions for individual taxpayers. It allows taxpayers to report various deductible expenses that can reduce their taxable income. Purpose of Schedule A. Purpose of Schedule A is to determine whether itemizing deductions will provide a greater tax benefit than taking the standard deduction. Common deductions of Schedule A are included. Point 1 is medical and dental expenses. Point 2 is state and local taxes. Point 3 is mortgage interest. Point 4 is charitable contributions. Point 5 is casualty and theft losses. Filing requirement. Taxpayers must complete Schedule A if they choose to itemize deductions instead of taking the standard deduction. Instructions for filling Schedule A form. Schedule A is used to report itemized deductions. Next is a general overview of how to fill it out line by line. Point 1 is medical and dental expenses. In line 1, enter total medical and dental expenses you paid for yourself, your spouse, and your dependents. In line 2, enter any reimbursements you received for these expenses. In line 3, subtract line 2 from line 1 to get the total medical expenses. In line 4, enter the amount that exceeds 7.5% of your adjusted gross income. Point 2 is taxes you paid. In line 5, enter state and local income taxes or general sales taxes. In line 6, enter real estate taxes paid. In line 7, enter personal property taxes. In line 8, add lines 5 through 7 for total taxes paid. Point 3 is interest you paid. In line 9, enter mortgage interest and points reported on Form 1098. In line 10, enter any mortgage interest not reported on Form 1098. In line 11, add lines 9 and 10 for total interest paid. Point 4 is gifts to charity. In line 12, enter cash contributions to charities. In line 13, enter non-cash contributions. In line 14, add lines 12 and 13 for total charitable contributions. Point 5 is casualty and theft losses. In line 15, enter the amount of casualty and theft losses. Point 6 is other itemized deductions. In line 16, enter any other deductions such as unreimbursed employee expenses, tax preparation fees, etc. Point 7 is total itemized deductions. In line 17, add all the amounts from lines 4, 8, 11, 14, 15, and 16. This is your total itemized deductions. Point 8 is comparison with standard deduction. At the bottom of the form, compare your total itemized deductions to the standard deduction for your filing status. Choose the higher amount to reduce your taxable income. You can use MacVish if you have any specific questions about particular lines or deductions regarding to the instructions for Schedule A. You can contact us. Our phone number is 516-822-3100. Our mail is support@infotaxsquare.com. Our website is infotaxsquare.com. Thanks for watching.